So we don't have a whole lot of counter space in our kitchen to be putting other little things. So we're going to try and free up a little bit of space with a paper towel holder. So let's open it up, get it installed, show you how it works. And here it is. This is the paper towel dispenser. As you can see, it expands so that you can get whatever size paper towel you want. And it's going to be able to expand and fit in there just perfectly and allow it to spin, but have enough friction right on the bearings here that you can rip off a piece whenever you need it. So let's go ahead and get it installed. We're just going to install it right underneath here. It comes with a couple of double-sided stick tapes or screws and mollies, depending on where you're going to be installing it. You could install it on the side here and have it sticking out, right on the edge of something. We're just going to install it right up underneath here. And for that, I think we're just going to use these double stick tapes right here. We want to line up the screws, so in case it gets a little loose, you can put screws right through those holes there and just reinforce it. We're just going to put it down nice and strong, peel this off, and now it's ready to put in place. So let's make sure we get it right where we want it. Press it down good and solid, and there you go. That feels pretty good. Now we'll take our paper towel, get it started, put it in one side, expand to the other side, and there you go. Ha ha ha! You can pull it off, and then just with a little tug, it'll come right off there, and it's up and out of the way. And from my eye level here, you can hardly even tell that there's a paper towel dispenser there. It's just up and tucked right out of the way. And yet, you can see the whole thing's right there, making the kitchen look good and keeping it off of my counters, my limited counter space. All right, that's going to be great.